12 impressive benefits of oats that could solve all your health problems. Oats have long been celebrated as a powerhouse of nutrition and a versatile food staple. Whether you enjoy them as a warm bowl of oatmeal, a key ingredient in baked goods, or as part of a smoothie, oats offer a wide range of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to your diet. In this video, we'll explore the numerous health benefits of eating oats and why you should consider making them a regular part of your meals. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Rich in nutrients and antioxidants. Oats are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are an excellent source of manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. Additionally, oats contain unique antioxidants called avenanthramides, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower blood pressure by increasing the production of nitric oxide, improving blood flow. Number 2. Excellent source of soluble fiber. One of the standout benefits of oats is their high soluble fiber content, particularly beta-glucan. This type of fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, which helps slow down digestion and prolongs feelings of fullness, making oats an excellent choice for weight management. Beta-glucan also plays a significant role in reducing cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol, which can help lower the risk of heart disease. Number 3. Supports heart health. Eating oats regularly can be beneficial for heart health. The beta-glucan fiber in oats helps reduce cholesterol absorption in the bloodstream, thereby lowering total cholesterol levels. The antioxidants in oats also help reduce inflammation and improve heart health by protecting against oxidative stress. Consuming oats as part of a balanced diet can reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. Number 4. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Oats are a low glycemic index food, which means they have a slower impact on blood sugar levels. The high fiber content, especially beta-glucan, helps regulate blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This makes oats an excellent choice for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Including oats in your breakfast can help stabilize your blood sugar throughout the day. Number 5. Promotes healthy digestion. Oats are beneficial for digestive health due to their high fiber content, which aids in maintaining a healthy gut. The insoluble fiber in oats adds bulk to stool and helps prevent constipation, while the soluble fiber provides nourishment to beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy microbiome. Regular consumption of oats can lead to improved digestion and better overall gut health. Number 6. Aids in weight management. If you're looking to manage your weight, oats can be a valuable addition to your diet. The combination of fiber and protein in oats helps you feel full for longer periods, reducing the temptation to snack between meals. Studies have shown that including oats in your breakfast can help control appetite and reduce overall calorie intake, making weight management more achievable. Number 7. Boosts immune function. Oats contain beta-glucan, which not only helps with heart health and blood sugar regulation, but also boosts the immune system. This fiber has been shown to enhance the activity of immune cells, helping the body fight off infections more effectively. Including oats in your diet can support your body's natural defenses, keeping you healthier year-round. Number 8. Supports skin health. Oats are not only good for internal health, but also for skin health. Colloidal oatmeal has been used for centuries to soothe and moisturize the skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of oats can help alleviate skin conditions like eczema, itching, and irritation. Consuming oats can also support skin health from the inside thanks to their rich antioxidant content. Number 9. May help reduce the risk of cancer. Emerging research suggests that a diet high in whole grains like oats may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including colorectal cancer. The fiber in oats supports digestive health and reduces the time harmful substances spend in the digestive tract, potentially lowering cancer risk. Additionally, the antioxidants in oats help protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer. Number 10. A versatile and affordable superfood. Oats are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into a variety of meals. They are also one of the most affordable whole grains, making them accessible to a wide range of people. With so many ways to enjoy oats, you can get creative and find delicious ways to include them in your diet. Number 11. Constipation relief. Constipation, characterized by infrequent and challenging bowel movements, affects individuals across various age groups and demographics. Approximately 16% of adults and 33% of those aged 60 and above experience this condition. Research suggests that oat bran, the outer layer of the grain rich in fiber, could help alleviate constipation symptoms. Additionally, studies have shown that oat bran may reduce gastrointestinal discomfort and improve digestion in individuals with ulcerative colitis. While oats' soluble fiber is generally beneficial for constipation, it has been found to be less effective in addressing constipation induced by opioids. This is because oat fiber does not influence the colon movement, which these medications may suppress. Number 12. Reducing the risk of pediatric asthma. Asthma stands as the most prevalent long-term respiratory condition among children. This ailment involves inflammation of the bronchial tubes, which are responsible for transporting air to and from the lungs. While symptoms may vary among children, many experience recurring cough, whistling sounds when breathing, and difficulty catching their breath. Studies suggest that introducing oats early in a child's diet might offer protection against asthma development. Well, that's everything you need to know about the health benefits of oats. Now, let's dive into some frequently asked questions about oats. Question 1. What can I add to my oats for flavor? To enhance the flavor of oats, you can add fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, honey, cinnamon, vanilla, or nut butter. Savory toppings like avocado, poached eggs, and vegetables can also be added for a different twist. Question 2. Can I eat oats every day? Yes, eating oats daily is generally safe and healthy. They provide essential nutrients, support digestive health, and help maintain a healthy weight. However, it's important to maintain a balanced diet, with a variety of other foods as well. Question 3. How long do oats last? Properly stored oats can last for a long time. Uncooked oats should be kept in a cool, dry place in an airtight container, and can last up to 2 years. Cooked oats should be refrigerated, and consumed within 4 to 6 days. Question 4. Are oats safe for people with diabetes? Oats have a low to moderate glycemic index, which means they can help manage blood sugar levels when eaten in moderation. The fiber content helps slow down the absorption of sugar, making oats a good option for people with diabetes. Question 5. Can oats be used for skincare? Oats are beneficial for skincare, especially for soothing itchy, dry, or irritated skin. Colloidal oatmeal is commonly used in baths, lotions, and creams for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. Question 6. Do oats have protein? Yes, oats are a good source of plant-based protein, containing about 5 to 7 grams of protein per half-cup serving. This makes them a great option for vegetarians and those looking to increase their protein intake. Question 7. What types of oats are available? Some common types of oats include whole oat groats, steel-cut oats, rolled oats, quick oats, and instant oats. The main difference lies in the way they are processed, which affects their texture, cooking time, and nutritional content. Question 8. Are oats gluten-free? Pure oats are naturally gluten-free, but they are often processed in facilities that also handle gluten-containing grains, which can lead to cross-contamination. If you have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, it's essential to look for oats labeled as certified gluten-free. Question 9. Can you eat raw oats? Yes, you can eat raw oats, especially when they are rolled or instant oats. They are often used in overnight oats recipes, where they are soaked in milk or yogurt to soften them. However, raw oats should be soaked or cooked to improve digestibility and reduce the risk of bloating. Question 10. How many types of oats are available in the market? There are various types of oats in the market including whole oat groats, steel-cut oats, rolled oats, quick oats, oat flour, and instant oatmeal packets. Question 11. Which company of oats is best? The best oats brand can vary depending on your needs, such as taste, texture, organic certification, price, and nutritional value. Here are some of the top oat brands that are widely recognized for their quality. Number 1. Bob's Red Mill. Known for its high-quality, organic, and gluten-free options. Bob's Red Mill offers steel-cut, rolled, and quick oats, all with a wholesome taste. Number 2. Quaker Oats. A classic and widely available brand known for consistency. They offer various types of oats, including old-fashioned, instant, and steel-cut. Number 3. Nature's Path. It offers organic and non-GMO oats, often praised for their flavor and sustainability practices. Number 4. 365 by Whole Foods Market. A budget-friendly option that provides organic and non-GMO oats, with a good flavor and texture. Number 5. McCann's Irish Oatmeal. It's known for high-quality steel-cut oats. This brand offers a slightly nuttier flavor and chewy texture. Number 6. 1 Degree Organic Foods. Offers sprouted, organic oats that are great for those looking for a less processed option, with enhanced nutritional benefits. Number 7. Purely Elizabeth. Focuses on ancient grains, and offers oats with added superfoods like chia and quinoa, known for their unique flavors and healthy ingredients. Question 12. Which oats are best for weight loss? For those aiming to shed pounds, steel-cut oats are the superior choice. These oats undergo minimal processing and contain a higher proportion of fiber compared to other varieties. Additionally, steel-cut oats are particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, due to their lower glycemic index, which helps prevent rapid increases in blood sugar levels. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.